To place or edit the map pin on your listing, you must click on the General Edit icon here or the Update Map Pin icon here. Once in edit mode, click anywhere on the map to place the map pin. To move the map pin, click, hold, drag, and drop to the desired location. The map also features satellite view as well as options to zoom in and out. Use the address search bar at the top of the map to search for the property. The property will be indicated in a highlighted area on the map. Here, you can click to place the map pin. Once the location is confirmed, click the Save button. If you have any questions, please contact the Northstar MLS Help Desk.